Good evening, tutor. English phonetic task 3 vowel sound. Vowels and diphthong. In this video, I present vowels and diphthong. Diphthong A. Part of the tongue from degree or raising open, mid the close mid-lip position slightly spread. Pronunciation A. For example, they, play, they. Diphthong A. To achieve the sound, you should start by placing your tongue in the front of your mouth with your way hard open for the first E. Then you have to close into for E. For example, hey, there, care. Pronunciation A. Diphthong O. The articulars assume the first target position by raising the central part of the tongue to the position between open mid and closed mid. Pronunciation ow. For example, don't, stone, lawn. Vowels A. He opens his mouth a little more and puts his tongue a little further back. Open your mouth with it and put your tongue forward. Pronunciation For example, cup, nuts, summer. Vowels E. This retraction engaged less fácil muscle in your mouth when the front part of the tongue is then undone, is lifted in the articulation of the sound. Pronunciation E. For example, family, she. Vowels O. The back of the tongue is rising to a hip position and touch the dent at the back of the mouth. The how lips are little. The lips are generally rooted at forgot. Pronunciation For example, put, good. Vowels A. The articulation in which the mouth relaxes, lips neither open nor closed, neither tongue nor vice versa. Pronunciation For example, moment, river, baloney. Thank you, tutor, for your attention. Bye bye.